This is Bharat from TBK Create Point channel. Now we are going to discussing about software part for building the convolutional neural networks or machine learning model or deep learning model. So in the previous videos we have discussed more about CNN concept. So now before going to building the convolutional neural networks models in the deep learning concept, we need to understand what is the concept of TensorFlow and what do you mean by the Keras, and where we can able to see the libraries, what and all the support that part we'll discuss in this video. So TensorFlow is one of the famous deep learning frameworks developed by Google team. It is a free and open source software library designed in Python programming language so that we can easily implement deep learning projects on TensorFlow easily and efficiently. So TensorFlow can train and run deep learning frameworks networks for image recognition, handwritten digital classification, recurrent neural networks, word embedding, NLP, video detection, many more. So to work on deep learning, we need the support of a TensorFlow framework. So we need to install the TensorFlow. So if you want to write some Python code, Jupyter notebook is required. So and you can also take the install the Anaconda platform. So in the Anaconda platform, you need to integrate the TensorFlow package or the library. So then we can able to build, or we can able to do a lot of projects in the deep learning concept or the machine learning. So as we discussed here, these are the various applications we can do with TensorFlow support. Okay. So TensorFlow is run on multiple CPUs, GPUs, and mobile operating systems. So in the TensorFlow, what do you mean by the tensor? Tensor is a multidimensional array, and flow is nothing but is used to define the flow of data and the operation. So as we discussed, for building the CNN or for building the deep learning models or to work with the NLP or to work with the platform of deep learning or machine learning models, so we have to know about the TensorFlow library. So if you want to see more on it regarding installation and regarding the available projects and what are the supporting packages available in this TensorFlow, you can see at www.tensorflow.org. There you can find a lot of examples and complete guidance and about how what are the things are available in this TensorFlow library. So now let us go with the Keras. So Keras is a deep learning API. It is a API which is on top of the TensorFlow. So Keras 3 is the latest version of for deep learning model. The main intention of the Keras is to enable the fast experimentation with the deep neural networks. So the Keras was incorporated into a TensorFlow as tf.keras. So if you want to access the Keras or what are the operations are available and what are the more the different kinds of support available from the Keras, like different kinds of model, or if you want to get anything from the Keras, we can able to access it from by writing tf TensorFlow as tf dot Keras. So and the basic thing how what is the use of the Keras is we can able to define the model by using Keras, and we can compile and we can fit your model and we can make predictions. So the complete execution or complete project building will be done with the help of the Keras API. So if you want to build the CNN any model, so we need to import some libraries and we need to upload the data set and we need to build the model and we need to compile and evaluate and predict and deploy the model. So this complete process will be done with the help of the TensorFlow and Keras TensorFlow library. On top of the TensorFlow, Keras API is required. So to access more about the Keras, we can go through the link is provided here, https keras.io. There you can see all the Keras optimizers and Keras. So what are the optimizers are available and what are the models are there, and how to create, compile, build the models, everything is available on this platform. So if you want to start building the CNN model, first of all you need to set the software configuration about like a machine, either CPU or GPU. And once the machine is ready, we need to integrate or we need to download the Anaconda platform. And there you can integrate the TensorFlow, and you need to import Keras, and we need to upgrade, we need to downgrade the TensorFlow compatibility with the Anaconda platform. So however, these all things will be discussed in the coming video with complete the process of how to build the CNN. That's all for now. Thank you all.